Where are you from?
I'm from Rajshahi, which is the beautiful city I have ever seen, and this is my hometown, and I love this city. It's famous for its natural beauty and known for seal city and educational city.
Rajshahi, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, which place of Rajshahi do you like the most?
I like Tibet most because whenever I get free time, I go with my friends there, and I have many memories in this place.
Okay, what do you know about Rajshahi University?
Rajshahi University is one of the famous university. It's a public university, so everyone try to get chance there.
Well, recently you have completed your spoken English course at Rahas English Care. So, what's your final thought and feeling about Rahas English Care?
I will miss this place a lot. The teachers and my classmates, everyone is so. I'm really sad.
Well, and what will be your suggestion for the weak students of our country?
um, for the weak student, please come to Rahat Sir and Rahat English Care. You will get more than you expect, and you will talk fluently.
Thank you very much. Wish you all the best for your future.
Thanks, sir.